Guys, I want to show you how to hotwire a power mirror to a power mirror control switch. Perhaps maybe the connector have been severed up. Then you can hotwire it and make it work again. When it comes to mirror control, you see many mirrors having 5 wires, but all that you need for mirror control is just 3 wires. Of those 3 wires is one common and 2 different wires. The other 2 different wires has one for the upward downward control and the other one for the leftward rightward control. The other 2 wires are for either the direction light on the mirror or the heated mirror control. The car we are working on is a Toyota Camry 2007, and you have to put your ignition on, locate your mirror control and switch it to the left side. Then you have to determine what wire goes to what wire. The easiest way to determine which wire goes where is to find out the common wire on this side, on the mirror side, and find out the common wire on the control side. So this is the load side, this is the control side. To find out the common wire on the load side, I recommend you doing the resistance test. We are asked to conduct the test to identify the common wire on the source side or signal side. Then you have to do a voltage reading. So let's put our multimeter to the continuity or resistance reading and let's take our readings. So we are in open loop now, and let's try to identify the common. Can you see that? Open loop, open loop. Okay, here we have continuity here, but you can see that we have 46 ohms here. We have 23 ohms here, and we have 23 ohms here. So you can see that the only one we are not changing to get the lesser reading of the ohms reading is this black wire. So this is our common wire. Now let's test for identifying the common wire on the source or signal side, the one that comes from the body. So this time you have to use your switch, your mirror control switch, and let's start this and this. Okay, if you see that, I'm going right, nothing. Okay, I'm out of range. I'm supposed to be up to 12 volts and above. Right, okay, luckily I have right here. Left with the same connection. Okay, so this tells me that this is the common, these ones are related for right and left. Okay, let me alternate the other one. Right, left. Okay, this one does not work for right and left, it's also in for left. So you should be able to give for both sides. Okay, so let me alternate the other one. Okay, what you're looking for is this and this. So okay, this works for up and down, up and down. So if you remember, we used this before, the black and the green, and now we use the black and the white, and we pressed. You will not be able to see my switch, but I'm pressing up now and down now. Take note of the negative sign. Negative for up, positive for down. So this indicates that the common wire in both operations here is this black wire. So you connect your common wire together, the common on the mirror side and the common on the car side together. So having done that, you know that this and these are the other two wires of your interest. So you can decide to connect them anyways, then you will correct it later if there is need. So I'm connecting this to this and this to this. So let's test the mirror. You can see a part of the mirror. So now I'm pressing to the right, you see it's going down. I'm pressing to the left, it's going up. I'm pressing to the top, it's going left. I'm pressing to the down, it's going right. So that's to tell you that it's inverted. So what we have to do now is leave the common wire intact and swap the other two wires. So I'm going to swap this yellow away from the green to this white to invert or to correct the inversion of the mirror direction. Okay, so green to green. So let's press to the left. You can see on the mirror it's going leftwards, and now I'm pressing to the right. You can see it's going rightwards. Let's go up, down, left. You can see it's going accordingly. Let's read again. Left, left, right, left again, up, down. You can see it's going accordingly. So everything is working the way it's supposed to work. Thank you. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and tell me what I'm doing wrong in the comment section.